Please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video. The mother of the believers, Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, whenever Allah's Messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, was given a choice between two things, he would choose the easier thing as long as it was not a sin. But if it was a sin, he stayed far away from it. Allah's Messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, never took revenge for his own sake. But when someone broke Allah's law, he took revenge only for Allah's sake. This narration is found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3560. The lessons in this narration include: 1. Islam is easy and soft religion. It does not want people to make things hard for themselves. All the deeds which we have to do are simple and do not take long. Do any good deeds which are easy to do, but stay away from all the things, whether they are big or small. 2. It is important to be patient when someone does something bad to you. Doing bad to someone who does bad to you is not good. Ignore and forgive those who do bad things to you. If you do this, Allah, the Exalted, will give you lots of reward and forgive your sins. Don't you want Allah, the Exalted, to forgive you? 3. When someone does something bad to Allah, the Exalted, like missing a prayer, we should advise them not to do this. Only the people in charge, so that the police can take revenge when someone does something bad. Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, was in charge, so he could take revenge. We are not in charge, so we have to only advise and let the government and police deal with them.